Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I created a DIY hot air balloon for my recent sitter session. So the first thing I did, of course, was get the balloons I needed in the colors I wanted, which was yellow and white. I blew them up and I went on YouTube and I learned how to make balloon clusters. Oops, sorry that happened. Well, when you don't succeed at first, you try again. So I also did the same for the white balloons in no particular order. I just wanted the hot air balloon to be yellow and white. By the time I was doing this, my cluster had already gotten really big, so it was kind of difficult to add balloons. So I had to use a thread to add them into the cluster. And see how big my cluster is now, because well, I've added a lot of balloons. So of course I also needed a way to make the balloons stand in a basket. So I got these straws or straw-like materials from the balloon shop where I got my balloons. So I just decided to stick them into each other and sellotape them together to form a balloon stand. And then the basket, I just had it at home, is the basket we used to hold onions in the kitchen. So I cleaned it up and voila, I had my hot air balloon ready for my shoot. So guys, in my next video I will show you guys exactly how I edited the picture to look the way it does now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me and like this video and leave a comment below. Bye.